Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2015 Volkswagen Tiguan and I will show you which fuse to check in case your vehicle is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video should apply to these models made from 2012 all the way up to 2017. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Heated seats fuse will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. So first you want to lower this compartment down, and then actually the fuse box is just behind it, so you will have to lower it down all the way. So I will turn on the flash on my phone and zoom it in. So it's being held by two clips here. You can see one here and one here, so you have to kind of push this inside edge towards inside to get this off. I'll have to use maybe both of my hands to do it so I don't break something, but I will then show you what has to be done. Okay, I was able to do it actually. So you see, you have these two black clips, tabs, whatever, they are just behind these openings. Okay, and now you can completely remove this cover just by pulling it towards yourself. And here you have access to all of the fuses. Okay, now depending on the year and trim level of your vehicle, you might have more or less fuses here, but the heated seats fuse, it's fuse number F52, which is a 30 fuse located right here. And this is the fuse you want to check in case your heated seats are not working. Now, in case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to test the heated seats switch, check the wiring, and then in the end check the heating element inside the seat, but hopefully this will be your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.